Hey, welcome back to AI Content Academy. I'm Matt. In today's video, I will show you a really powerful TikTok system. It's a game changer for content creators. Thanks to this system, you can create your own version of viral TikToks. You can get your competitor video or you can get your competitor account and you can clone, you can copy their system, their video scripts directly to your system and you can create your one. I will show you step by step how it's working and let's dive in. It's all starting with Airtable base. This base help you store our competitor data and have to observe their strategy, see how they are working, how which video is better. We can get all data from their account and we can see how it's work. Also, this is a really powerful base, so we can generate our we can analyze our competitors, we can generate our own scripts based on them, and also we can see our scripts here. Actually, it's really powerful. I will show you how you can set up this system from scratch. After, we have first make.com module. By the way, let me tell you, for those who are not familiar with Airtable, basically Excel on steroids. So if you create an automation, Airtable gives you flexibility. You can create formulas in this. Also, you can connect with automations, and that's why we are using Airtable generally. Let's move on. By the way, let me show you how it's working. You can see run now. We have a profile pic, nickname, followers, etc., etc. And when we click run now, let me show you. It's going this, and our system starts to analyze our target profile. After, we have videos here. You can see we have videos from JLo. So let me show you how it's work. You can see this is the video, starting video, and when we click play, we can watch this video inside our base, inside our Airtable system. So you can see it's really powerful. You can create data from your competitors and you can watch them in your Airtable. You don't have to go TikTok. Okay. And as you can see, we have captions, total likes, shares, views, saves, video dimensions, and duration of the video actually. And the most important part, we have SRTs here because thanks to this SRTs, we have a script. And thanks to this script, we will clone our competitor from. In this system, let me close this first. It can say open. When we click here, when we click generate script, it's going here and it start to work. It's deleted because it's worked. I can show you actually. It just worked. And you can see we have our content here. By the way, in the system, we will choose psychology pages. We will target psychology TikTok accounts. You can guess it's a really competitive niche and there are lots of accounts. There are lots of viral content on TikTok and you can make money on these psychology pages or get better pages. There are many variations of them. You can get money on these accounts. You can create your own one and you can monetize it easily. That's why I will show you how you can create this with this system. So we have first Airtable. We have first make.com module. In this system, we will get our data from here and we will scrape our competitor account. In second one, we will scrape videos coming from competitor, and this one writing the script our own version. First, we have Airtable. All this system works on Airtable base. So for those who are not familiar with Airtable, Airtable basically Excel on storage. So if you are making automation, it's really helpful. You can connect with everything and it's really powerful system. I will show you how you can set up this system step by step too. Let's check how it's working. We have our target JLo actually. We choose TikTok channel, but we can set up this system for Facebook, YouTube, Instagram too. It's basically same system. When we click Run Now, it's going here. You can see this system, this part of automation is for scraping data of JLo. And you can see we have result, profile pic, nickname, bio link, followers, following friends, total likes, total videos, etc. etc. So, in the second part, we have videos, all coming from JLo. In our system, we configured our oldest post date, and that's why we have, as you can see, 7 videos. But you can configure how much video you want to pull, how much data you want to pull from target account. Let's check how this one works. And you can see we have video here, video here, video here. Okay, let's check this one. You can play this video inside of the Airtable. You don't have to go to TikTok each time, so you can see.
What are you going to get at Texas for your birthday? What?
A margarita. We have this one, and you can see caption is here, margarita. And likes of this video is here, shares of here. You can see all data on your base, actually, on your Airtable. Analyze all target accounts, all videos from here. You can sort them, you can pull them, you can send this data your ChatGPT, you can analyze, you can create everything. And it's a actually agency system, and you can sell this service as agency too. This scraper, TikTok scraper, work both ways. You can create your own content with it, or you can create a system, you can sell it on your agency, you can sell it to your customer for, let's say, competitor analysis, or let's say you can analyze their own data and you can give insight. Let me show you how it's worked. When we continue, we have SRT, which when we watch second one, and she was talking about Margarita, and let's check what is it here. What Margarita? You can see we have script from video. We have script here, and when we click generate script from here, going this part, and actually it's probably it's working right now. Let me check. It's the latest, so it's worked. It will come here. It's running, as you can see, it's running in our system, and I will show you how you can set up this one. We will create this system from scratch, step by step. As you can see, details here. Still working. Is this one, or is the old one? It's not this one. We have result here. Probably this one. Let's check our input. By the way, I configured this system for psychology accounts, because in our scenario, in our tutorial here, we will target psychology accounts, but you can change this configuration for all the system. You can target history channels, you can target viral kills channels. It's based on your choices, actually. We will target psychology content, and we will try to recreate our own script based the viral psychology TikTok videos. So that's why probably this system now will transform JLo's Margarita video something about psychology. Let's check. Is it this one? History. This one. Yep, details. Let's check input from here. You can see, yeah, about Margarita. So our GPT will write a script based on this, so it will be funny. And this is our script. Did you know the small decisions can have a profound impact on your emotional well-being? Because they were celebrating. Okay. Boost your mood. Okay. Thankfully, it's not saying Margarita. It can be horrible if you give advice, psychology advice with Margarita. Actually, it can be helpful too. It's it's based on you, but thankfully we don't have Margarita here. But interestingly, this system get data from source and created this script. Actually, it's really good, but it's not fitting. This scenario is not fitting with our original scenario. We will create from scratch, and you will see how powerful this automation, this GPT actually. Okay. Before diving in, let me tell you about how you can use this system first. You can sell this system as agency service, and you can create scenarios, you can create content for your customers, because finding viral content is a task, is hard. Also, creating viral content is a gold mine. And thanks to this system, you can create your viral content from other ones. You can clone. You don't have to do so much thing. You will clone successful ones, so you will be successful. You will find what algorithm likes, and you will transform it your own version. You will create your own version on this. That's why this is powerful system. You can sell this as agency service, as I said. But also, if you have a business and if you want to create content for yourself, you can create content thankfully the system. Let's say you have barbershop and you want to create TikTok account, TikTok videos, but you don't know how you can do this. You can target barbershops and you can create your own script based on them. Let's say you have a company, you have corporate, you have a finance company, and you want to create, because TikTok sells so easily. You can sell everything on TikTok. You can sell your services, you can sell consultancy, you can sell coaching services, you can sell e-commerce products. Also, you can sell your agency services on TikTok too, because you can grow so fast. It's like the beginning of Instagram, and probably it will going like this for a long time. That's why you can use the system for market your own services to TikTok audience, and you can grow your audience easily. In other way, this is a gold mine, because you can pull all the viral content and you can combine them. You can create original one. It's not just cloning. You can start by clone the viral content, and you can create your own ones also. You can pull this data, you can transform it a rec, and you can create your own chatbot, and you can ask your chatbot what to create today. And your chatbot can answer to you based on viral content. It's really powerful. You can't underestimate powerful of automation, because when you connect them one by one, you have a really powerful system. You have When you connect them one by one, in the final, you will have a really powerful system. In today's scenario, I will show you how you can scrape data from TikTok accounts. Also, you can transform it for Instagram, YouTube, also Twitter, X, and you can create your own ones. But in future videos, I will show you how you can create faceless videos based on this viral content, and you can have a TikTok channel all on automation and generate money for you. That's why it's really powerful. By the way, you can join our AI Content Academy. We can connect there and we can discuss your struggles, content creation problems, and we can create content together, because we have lots of system. We have voice agents, we have automations for content creation, and we will have more day by day. This is our system we are creating together, but you can see you can automate your blog. We have another system for this. How you can create ChatGPT assistant. We have another system for this, and we will have lots of videos, lots of tutorials like this here, and you can find great mentorship. You can find great business connections. You can get help from our team for content creation process of your business or your channel or your Facebook, YouTube channel. We can help you in every step. Let's dive in and create this system from scratch together. It will start with Airtable. So first, we have to create a base. By the way, I will show you how you can create a system from Airtable. As you can see, we have Airtable here. And when you click create, start from scratch, you have empty base, and you can create all system based on empty base. So let me show you how you will configure your empty base from scratch actually. Let's check what we have here. We have username and it's a single line text. First you will put this. After we have channel and it's a single select, and I'm not creating from scratch because it's taking time, but I am showing you how you can create. It's a single select. You will choose single select from here. Sorry. And you will add this options. You will add this manually here. After we have run now, and this is the checks. Style is this one, default is this, empty, and you will save it to. We have profile picture part, and it's an attachment, and it will come from our automations. And by the way, let me show you how it's work actually. We have three automations in system. One, this is the one we scrape profile. This is the one we scrape videos on this profile, and this is the one that generates script. Okay. Let's continue on Airbase. Profile picture. We have nickname. It's a single line text. We have signature. It's a long text. It can be long. We have bio link. It's an URL. We have followers. It's a number, and you can configure like this. Let me show. Sorry. You can configure like this actually. We have following. Also same. You can duplicate it and you can configure like this. Always you will choose number for this. Total likes also number. All same actually. Let's go back. Oops, sorry. And after we have run ID. Run ID is a single line text. Platform ID also single line text. Verified, the checkbox again. And we have record ID. This is important. It's a formula. And you can copy and paste. This is a really easy formula. You can copy and paste this here. Also, you can find this Airtable on our school group actually. Let's say TikTok scraper. You can download this Airtable template and you can use it directly. So all will come configured. You can just clone it, clone to your base, and you can use it. Let's go back. You will use this formula for this record ID. It's easy formula. Last modified. This is last modified time as a standard. And videos is actually linked to videos. Link to another record. Link to another record. So in this part, we click this and we will create. We have to choose a table, but we don't have a table. So we will create a new table and let's call it videos. When we created videos, and this is the configuration of this, we will see, videos. And we have a new table. We didn't create it and we will rename it. Now, this area connected with this one. It's working like this. You can create from scratch again. Okay. Last video created. Again, it's a rollup. This is the most important part. Rollup will come from this table. This one, actually, this table. So you will choose rollup and you will choose rollup source. And rollup source will be this one. And you will add this max values formula here. You can copy and paste again, and as I said, you can copy our base from our school group. All this post date, this is the important part of this Airtable, this user part actually, because the oldest post date decides how from where you will begin to pull videos, pull data. For this, we add formula. This is a formula, and you can see this is the formula. You can copy and paste this from screen. It's an easy formula, and in our scenario, we are starting from August 1. You can keep this short time because you can pull a lot of data, and you can if you not configure really well, you can get bad data actually. So keep it close when you try to built first time in this automation. We have one last thing in this base. It's a view. This is another view. We created a view for this user's part, and you can see where channel is TikTok, run now is clicked. We will see this view. You can create view from. So you can create a new view and you can configure it like this. Where channel is TikTok, run now is checked. And again, we have other parts of it here, as you can see. As you can see, JLo comes here when it comes to this part when you click this one, and when we under this click, it's gone. Okay, the first part of Airtable is that simple, and second part is videos. From our formula, actually, our is created automatically, as I showed you. And here we will add ID, a single line text, user, link to users, and actually this link to users coming from our rollup. I can show and link to user, and it's coming from, as you can see here, you can choose the user and it will be ready. Link to user, link to another record. This is coming from link to users. I can show you link to another record, users. Okay. Generate script. This one is a checkbox again. Media is attachment again. We will add attachment. By the way, we have cover. Cover is attachment. Media is attachment. Caption is long text. And saves, height, all of them numbers, as you can see. And this is a preset. You can use this system again. All the numbers you will use same system. And we have SRT, it's a long text, and it's coming from transcription of video, video created time, last modified, and rival scripts. It's a long text again, and when we create it, it will come here. And finally, we have scripts, and this is document ID, single line text, open URL, it's a button, and it will open the document we created. Actually, we will create a document for our scenarios in Drive, and it will open this. And this is the created part. By the way, we have another view in the videos part, and this triggered when you click generate script here. Okay. I will show you how you can configure this one also. Same, it's like users one. Where CRT is not empty, this part is important because we want to create scenarios based on target videos, and maybe there's a mistake and we don't have CRT, we don't want to use this system. Where CRT is not empty and checkbox is ticked, we will have this view, and this view will be triggered for our second automation. This view will be triggered for our first automation, this one for second automation. We created our Airtable from scratch. You can see it's easily. If you have a question, if you have a problem, you can write under the video, and also you can communicate from school group too. Let's continue to Airtable. We will create 3 systems on Airtable. This one I showed you. This is for scrape profiles. This is for scrape videos and get data on them. And this is for creating our own version. We will create all of them one by one. .com. Okay, by the way, I can come here. Okay. Create a new scenario. Airtable. There's 2 ways to work this system. Actually, we can choose watch records and we can choose watch responses. Watch records and watch responses basically work same way. They will get trigger and they will start to work this system. But when we use watch response, we can get automatic. How I can explain this? When we choose watch response and when we click, when we are working on this system, when we click this automation, this click run now, this system will work automatically. But when we choose watch records, And when we click this, this will work on our schedule settings. So we can click, let's say 10 accounts. We clicked for 10 accounts, and let's say we configured this one for 15 minutes. This system will work every 15 minutes. And if you clicked few items, 10 items in that 15 minutes, it will try to make them in a row. But we want to get our results immediately. That's why we are using watch response here. And we will create a webhook. By the way, you can use other version of, and it's easy too. And let's say, oops, sorry, we click create webhook. This is our webhook. Sorry, and we will copy and paste this. We have originally two automation in Airtable, and for first setup, you have to make sure you clicked this run now, and after it you can set up this automation from scratch. And let's say you can again copy and paste this. You can use our Airtable base, but if you are creating from scratch, add trigger when records enters a view. Select table users, select view, run TikTok. Now we will update record, and for this users again an Airtable record ID vnet, and we will choose field and run now, and we will left it like this. For the last part we will add run script, and actually our script is here for this automation for trigger in the make. By the way, you can copy and paste this, you can use it in your automation. I will show it again. This one, up, it's ready. You can copy and paste here from screen. Let's get this webhook and paste it is here. We will use record ID here, value, again Airtable record ID. So, finish editing. Let's, okay, run once. We will check how it's working. We got JLo here. Now test section. We choose JLo. Step successful. We have our record ID. Let's check is it. Yeah. For the second part, we will use Airtable get a record. For this, we will use this base social script. Table is users. Record ID is this one coming from here. It's ready to. And third automation is Epify. We will use Epify for scrape our TikTok profiles. We will choose run actor, and as you can see, we are choosing actor from here. So how it's working. You can go and open your Epify account from epify.com, and after from the store you can choose TikTok profile scraper. It's already installed. It's already set up for my account. As you can see, $5 for 1000 videos. But let me show you how you can configure. You will choose these are include videos, thumbnails, subtitles, download slideshow images, run options, latest. You can configure like this. And for connect Epify to make.com, you need to reach your API keys. You can see under settings, API integration, you can get your own one. Let's go actors, and this part is important. We need to input a JSON, and we will use this one. You can copy and paste again. I'm waiting for this. You can get it from Spring. You can stop this video and you can get it, and we will do this one. We don't have data yet, but when you run first, you will get it. After, we will have latest Airtable module update a record, and for this, we will choose update a record, base, social scrape, table, users, record ID coming from here, first one, record ID, platform ID is actually default data set ID. You will choose this one. Let's check. As you can see, we wrote JLo again. As you can see, it worked. If I get JLo, and let's check TikTok scraper once with just one, and we have JLo here. Let's check our Airtable, what we have, because we have our result here, and again we wrote JLo and we got this data actually, but as you can see, it's just sorry, videos are here, and let me find another username. Let's go there. Psychology. And let's check him. Following Sefer. Actually, but he has a good account. We cannot. Actually, I didn't like. So, let's continue. Psychology facts. This one.
About people. Number 1. If a person sleeps a lot, they are sad. Number 2. If a person...
Let's grab him. Pearl.duck. Right here. We will choose TikTok. Generate. Our automation is here. Let's run once. Wait for new data. Let's run once. Wait for new data. We will create this one also together. This is done. Test action. We get it. Now it's running. And we'll see. We will get our results soon. As you can see, waiting for data right now. It can take a time. As you can see, it scrolled 44 of 49, and probably it's done. Yep, it's done. Now we get our data. Our automation worked, and let's see. By the way, because of actually in this automation, when you click and when you work, this one dropped. But now we are working on this in way, so manually. So we have to close this one. It's dropped right now, and we will start this automation again because just got JLo, but we want our new account pearl.duck. Okay, let's start again. As you can see, we got our ID. Input is now it's working on. You can see we have our pearl.duck here scraped, and now it has to be done. Pearl.duck. You can see profile picture. Oops. Nickname is Elevate Your Mindset. Code Perspective Life. Pearl.duck.com. Following is 3. Friends is 2, but total likes, as you can see, really good. And let's check. By the way, you can notice all of them dropped, right? And this completed, automatically dropping. So you can run this again on the same person, and let's check videos, and you can see here 3 things about people who get angry very easily. Let's check codes. We can check media from here. It's ready.
3 things about...
I muted, but you can
They
see.
possess a warm and generous heart, hidden fiery exterior.
Okay, you got the point. You can see likes, shares, views. Great numbers actually, and easy to monetize this one. So let's check where's our SRT, and well, you can see it's transcribed really well. So we can easily create our own psychology content from this account, for example. So let's continue to set up. We will go this part, this automation. Sorry. This is our second part. Our first part is done, and it will start with Epify watch actor runs. So we will choose my finished actor. We will choose my finished actor run webhook, and as you can see, there's show webhook here. Let's go to Epify, and probably it will be automatic for you. It was ready for me to. When you go to integration, as you can see, there is webhook and this is the destination. It's automatically. And you can put your webhook here and you can see it's the same. I'm pasting. It's the same one and payload template will be like this. It's ready. It will be ready for you too, or you can add from here and it will be automatically configured for you too. Second one is get dataset items. This one we will get default dataset from this API. Format is JSON. Limit is 100. You can add this. And after we will add Airtable search records. We will use again social scrape, users. You will select all. And this part is important. You can write this exactly like this. Username coming from here. You will select, this one. That's all. You can configure like this Airtable search records module. And after we need router because we will split this information coming from Airtable. First, we will add iterator and we will use this one, subtitle links. You can see you will choose this one for array. As filter, this part is important. You will add a filter and you can see filter is video meta. This means we are looking for video meta actually, is exist or not. So condition is video meta, okay. And rules are basic operators exist. Okay, after iterator, after this one, we have also one more filter and we will choose it for define language. So you will write language coming from flow control here and you will write this English US. After we have HTTP module, we will get our download link from source and it's a get a file. And after we have set variable, so we will send this data results of HTTP, which is our SRT, and we write here SRT also. We want to send this data to this route, but in the make.com you cannot make this easily. So that's why we are setting set variable. We are writing SRT and we are sending this data to here. So this part is getting our SRT, our script actually. This part is, you can see we pushed our SRT here, and in this part we will store our data, video data, to our Airtable base. So let me show you how you can configure this one. Table videos, ID coming from, first one, ID is here. File URL, you can exactly like this original cover URL. You will get this. It's for cover. And for media, again, you will add item. For media URL, you will choose media, but this option with 1. For caption, text. For likes, the count. For share, share count. For views, play count. For saves, collect count. And for height, also width here. And duration is duration. Video meta duration here. SRT coming from here, actually. You will get this. And we create time ISO. Okay. Smart links on it, and that's all. We are okay. And the last part is we are adding another condition here, and this is the bundle order position. Okay. And rule is text operator equal to 1. Now we have another Airtable. This is for updating user field. ID again, same idea. We don't need to update username, channel, but profile picture coming from here actually you can write avatar, you can get it. Nickname is nickname, bio link. Followers, you have to write fans, and friends again, you can write friends. For likes, you have to write heart, and for the video, you have to write video. You will get this one. Also, you can run, we don't need to run ID, but you can write ID from here. Let's write ID, and you will get this one. Actually, that easy. You can set up this base from scratch like this, exactly with this way. But as I said, you can come here, school group, and you can download all of them from here. Actually, you can see this. Actually, we tested this one before creating, and now we can pass the last one because we want to create our scenario for this one, for example. So this is our final make.com scenario. What we gonna do here? We will add a Airtable module, and it's again watch responses, and choose a hook, my Airtable hook. This will be hook for you. In my scenario, this is my hook here. Nice, okay. And after we will add get a record, and we will choose social scrape or your name on base and videos, and we will get record ID like this one, exactly this one. But in this time, we have special GPT module here. It will get all, and it's a created chat completion model. GPT-4o system user. You are tasked with rewriting content from SRT file, transforming into a fresh script while maintaining the original topic and context. You are writing for Mindful Horizons. A psychology brand provides transformative insights and practical strategies for mental well-being. Actually, there isn't any Mindful Horizons. It's not a brand. We made up this one for this scenario. You can stop this video and you can get this actually from screen. You can copy and you can use exactly this one. And let's say this is the old one. Let me show how you can configure this one. You will create exact same automation here actually. You can copy this one, you can clone, actually duplicate this one, and you can create this one. But in this scenario, you will videos, and view is generate script, and after table is videos, Airtable record is this record ID, and field is we will choose check run script. We will use exactly same one, but let's edit this code with this hook. It's okay. So when we go here, and let's get social script. This one, videos. This will create our new scenario from this one actually. Let me show you. We choose 3 things about people who get angry very easily. Okay. When we click, automation is running right now. When we clicked, is it this one? This one. When we click generate script, it dropped here, and let's click run once, wait for new data, and we will click this one actually. Yep, again, this one. You can see it's dropped here and it started to work. It's working on the scenario right now. And let's remember our input. You can see this is the original scenario. And this is the content we created. Here, fascinating truth about our emotional landscape. Often, those who appear, blah blah is going. Secondly, lastly, and it has all, and it's really vast structure. Now you have options. You can create like this one. You can create scenario. You can create a timeline for your script. or you can get this exactly like this one. It's your choice. I like this one because when you have this, you can work on it voiceover easily, and you can split them, and you can create your visuals, your videos on this one more easily. But let's say we want this one. I will show you how you can set up this. Example, output, transform the final, and create it with timeline. Okay, let's run this one, use existing data, and now it's working. By the way, we can refine this prompt, we can do better ones, we can plan, and you will see the other versions in school group. But let's check our output content, and as you can see, now we have our own scenario. If you want to remember, this is the input. 3 things about people who get angry very easily. Let's check our ones. Have you ever pondered what lies beneath a quick temper? So, we get exact same script and we transform it to our own version actually, and you can see it's really powerful tool, and you can create every viral TikTok videos, every viral Instagram videos, even YouTube videos from competitors. You can get the top ones and you can create your own ones easily, and you can create YouTube videos, faceless TikTok videos with this content easily too. So let's continue and let's save it in a document in this automation. And after, well, let's save our output right now. Actually, we can save this. Let's add videos. Or we can save this to actually here. Yeah, this one here. I will save it to Drive. And let's say docs. We can create a document first, or we can upload a document. We can create a document first. For example, this one. Create a connection. Sign in. Name will come from. Actually, name will come from. For example, let's say this one. Content is this one again. Okay. Choose the folder. And run once. We will add another one. For example, same one again. Okay. You can see it started to work, creating the new scenario. We use same one. Voices, message, content. And let's check our drive. And it's here. Sorry about this. But you can change it to. Let's change. Let's delete this one. Google Docs. Insert a paragraph to a document. And again, same connection. Let's choose TikTok here. Not that one, this one. And this is the message. We are clicking this one again. It started to work. When we go this, you can see the title is Bright Moments and we have script here. So this is really powerful system, as you can see, and you can use it in various scenarios. For example, as I said before, you can sell this service directly to your customers. Or let's say you are a restaurant and you want to create TikTok for get customer from social media, TikTok videos, and you can find your viral competitors, viral videos, or your viral videos you want, and you can copy them and you can use them directly for your own TikTok videos. That's why it's powerful. That's why you can analyze, you can make competitor analyze this data, and you can create your own ones. And the next part of this video will be creating faceless TikTok videos from this data. So we will connect this data to another system. We will create faceless TikTok creation module, and it will be based on the Airtable again, and it will work on make.com. And we will get this data from competitors, viral content, and we will create our own generate TikTok videos. So it can be psychology niche, it can be history, it can be sports. It's not important. You can even create affiliate marketing system on TikTok. When you have data which is popular, which is viral, and when you have a scenario for this automatically, you are the powerful one. Thank you for watching. If you want to catch other automation, other content system, all information about AI content generation, you can follow us. You can follow this channel. You can message to me if you have a question, or you can join AI Content Academy for learn advanced version. You can make money with content generation, how you can create this system directly, or how you can use this system automatically without creating from scratch. You can join our school group. Thank you for watching again. Bye.